Hello and welcome to Spain. My name is Kate and this is Estyle Real Estate Agency channel. And today we are in Punta Prima, the most desirable seaside location on the Costa Blanca. This coastline area offers beautiful views, amazing promenade, famous restaurants and the sandy family-friendly beaches. Everything within a short distance. Commercial center Punta Prima, our office on the first floor of this commercial center, top restaurants and bars, entertainment center for the family and children, pharmacies and the supermarkets, and the famous golf courses within the driving distance. Also a great connection to Alicante Airport and the Torrevieja city. And today I'm happy to show you a 3-bedroom apartment with a 1 bathroom, with amazing sea view and a large communal swimming pool. And this apartment literally 5 minutes walk from this spot. We are 50 meters away from the house, and outside there is a bar, pizzeria, and they serve nice breakfast in the morning, and you can enjoy coffee as well. And we are on the terrace in front of our property, very looked after. You can see how many flowers they've got. Let's come inside. And now we're inside our property, the good size hallway, intercom, and the kitchen on the left side. We are in a separate kitchen, which is very rare in the Spanish houses. It's a good size with natural light and nice good quality appliances and everything you need for everyday living. This is a master bedroom, very good size, cozy, lots of furniture, double fitted wardrobe, sea view and a beautiful view to the recreation ground. Family bathroom with modern furniture and a walk-in shower. Second double bedroom with lots of space, good size, same size as a master bedroom with double fitted wardrobe and a natural light. This apartment comes fully furnished. We are in the living room, very good size, with an aircon, lots of furniture and a private access to the balcony. And this is a third bedroom with double fitted wardrobe, but the current owner transformed it to the dining area with a lovely bar. And this is the private balcony, very good size, where you're going to enjoy most of the mornings and evenings enjoying the view during the winter or summer. Very well maintained and safe gated community with a large swimming pool and amazing sea view. Today I've shown you a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the famous coastal area Punta Prima of Areola Costa. It's available now on the market for 169,000 euros. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next tour. Thanks for watching us.